In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear outside tail lamp assembly on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This will be mounted to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open your lift gate and we can start removing the outside tail lamp assembly. To be able to remove this, you're going to find two push clips. There's one up top and one down bottom, right inside this area. To remove either of these push clips, you can use a trim tool or pretty much any small prying device. Start removing the center to unlock it. Once you have that pulled out, you should be able to remove the outer portion as well. We'll just give that a quick inspection. You will be reusing it. We'll set it aside. If the center pulls out, that's okay. Just slide it right back in. Once the mounting hardware is out of place, we'll continue on with a plastic trim tool. Carefully make our way in between the fender and the tail lamp and gently pry this straight rearward. Now we can start dislodging this from the body of the vehicle and we'll pay attention to our wiring harness. To disconnect your electrical connectors, you're going to find that each one of these will have a red locking tab. For that red locking tab, you just want to gently pry it out of place. Continue on to the next tab, which is located right next to that red locking tab. You just want to go ahead and depress that and slide this right on off of there. Typically, you can use your fingers for this. You might need to use pliers. Once you have it dislodged, give it a quick inspection for corrosion. We need to make sure you don't see any of that. If you do, go ahead and take care of it. This next one's a little bit harder to see. There it is, friend. Now we can prepare for installation of our rear outside brake lamp assembly. Let's start with the wiring harnesses along the back side here. For the bottom, we'll be using the gray electrical connector. We'll slide this into position. Listen for a click, and then you have to lock in each one of these electrical connectors with their red locking tab. I heard an audible click. We'll lock it down, double check, make sure it's secure as we move along to the next one. We have our final electrical connector here. When we install this in the vehicle, we'll be paying attention to our two locating tabs that are attached to the lamp assembly. We need to make sure those match up with the body of the vehicle. Once you feel as though you have it properly aligned, we'll just press this in straight forward. A light tap. Reinstall your push pins. To reinstall our push pins, you want to make sure they're in the unlocked position that has the center pulled out. Press in the outer portion. Once it's bottomed out against the tail lamp assembly, continue on by driving in the center to lock it in the proper position here. Same process for the other one. Confirm your tail lamp is properly secured to the vehicle. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and start your vehicle and test the functionality, ensuring that everything functions as it should. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.